Bhava is a website that allows you to create different kinds of diagrams and also tweak and edit them as much as you want. If this is your first time here, my name is J.I. and this is the Everyday AI channel where we teach you how you can use AI in your daily lives. So I'm going to dive right into this here. As you can see, I've already made a diagram, but I haven't actually put anything in it. Once we get to this canvas, we've got a whole host of shapes we can use. We've got a whole bunch of different kind of tables, a whole bunch of different kind of ways to display information. I think all of this is really cool. We've got advanced sort of shapes as well. You can use this a lot for any kind of logic or just to display any kind of workflow. We've got different kind of arrows, flowcharts, symbols as well, entity relations, which is quite interesting. That could be useful whenever you're developing a product and you need to create an entity relationship diagram. And then, yeah, a whole bunch more different kinds of shapes. We've got different formats. This format pop-up is quite useful, so you can always change anything you've got here. Just going to show you real quick. Let's say I wanted to get an ellipse in here. I can type something in here like start.
I'm actually pleased to announce I've launched one of my first digital products, which is a 7-day prompting ebook. I've called it Perfecting Prompts, and it's essentially a 7-day crash course on how you can improve your prompting so that you can supercharge your productivity. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave the link to Perfecting Prompts below. I put in a lot of work into it, and in there I actually include some frameworks that I teach to global corporations. Definitely check it out.
And let's say we want to go down from here. I can easily just add another sort of shape. Let's go with one of these. I know there are specific meanings for specific shapes in like traditional flow diagrams. I could look that up and then adhere to that. But yeah, this is just a really cool way to get your ideas or workflows down. And yeah, definitely worth exploring. If you enjoyed the video, please make sure you subscribe. And if you'd like to talk to me, then head over to Jay's Instagram, where you can chat to ChatJPT, which is essentially ChatGPT combined with my way of thinking, speaking, and seeing the world. So if you like these videos, then you'll definitely enjoy having a chat with ChatJPT. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.